Hi, everyone. I'm Scott Robohn. I'm a principal consultant and co-founder with a consultancy called Solutional. And I have over 3 decades of experience in the networking industry. Been very, very fortunate to have the career that I've had and see lots of trends from a hardware, software, and protocol evolution perspective. Right now, we're seeing a lot going on with AI and its impact for what it's requiring of networking and how it's impacting how we run networks. And those are two very discrete areas, but both fascinating and both real times of opportunity. Let me focus on the latter, using AI tools, tooling, and technology to actually run networks. In my engagements over the past few decades, we've always seen operations being at the bottom of the ladder in terms of who gets to make decisions about how to run networks. And I've developed an area of consulting over the last few years that really helps operators take some control over how they run networks and how they can be more effective in what they do. That is necessarily a network automation conversation at one level, but with the advent of AI and AI tooling, it's really made the conversation much broader. So this is not just a network automation conversation. There's new tools available, new technology available that's new to all of us. And on one hand, it can be overwhelming, and you need help sorting through what are the AI claims that my vendors and technology suppliers are bringing to me, and what's really available in the marketplace. We find opportunity in helping our end user customers sort through what's real, what can be solved and should be solved with AI and ML tooling today, and what else requires simple process improvement, being disciplined about defining workflows and thinking about how you get business done. The combination of these two things is really leading to a set of interesting conversations on how I can do business differently with the power tools that are available to me in new AI related tooling today. The advent of all this AI tooling and AI enabled tooling puts an imperative in front of us. You can't ignore this. Is AI going to solve every operational problem you have in your network environment or your operational environment today? No, it won't. But there are real opportunities that you need to think through and evaluate the claims of the strict tooling and tech that's coming out, plus the claims of your technology suppliers. Everyone has an AI story. We want to help our customers be prepared to ask the right questions, to know where to look with all the issues that are coming to the front today so quickly. The prevalence of many different large language models, which ones are better, which ones are suited to specific tasks in operations and other parts of your business. Should I be looking at the model context protocol and MCP servers today? What's coming with agent to agent communications? What's the difference between using a generative AI tool in a chat mode versus unleashing agents to actually do work without you and developing that agent boss mentality? There are real opportunities here to change the way you get stuff done in operations roles and across your organization. You need to be able to think through the problems you need to solve and how can this tooling help you. The advent of all these new tools does present concerns, but incredible opportunity as well. The things are happening so fast. I think they're coming at us faster than any other technology innovation we've seen in our lifetime, whether it's regard to network and IT operations or much broader business concerns. You do want to make sure you're not getting locked into one particular route or something that's going to bring you into a technology cul-de-sac that's going to be hard to turn around and get out of. The good news is there is so much happening and everybody has an AI story, and that's great. We love the Silicon Valley ecosystem of different innovation tools and ideas. You need to be smart about where you start, really identifying the problems you need to solve, looking at the tooling that's available, the questions you want to ask your suppliers on fit for purpose, and that extensibility story. Is this going to take me in a path where I'll have to do a major upgrade 12 months from now or 18 months from now? The technology is changing and advancing so rapidly that now's the time to start playing and experimenting in small scoped areas for scenarios that really impact your operations and your business directly. We're Solutional, and we'd love to help you navigate this age of ideas. where AI is both a set of tools and is accelerating new tools into the market faster than we've ever seen before. There are challenges sorting through all this, but there's also significant opportunity to match new tools to solve your problems and even fundamentally change how you get your work done. Visit us at solutional.com or send us an email at hello@solutional.com. We'd love to hear from you.